Good morning, this is Mark Gordon with GoldenTicker.com with a market update for Saturday, December 12th, 2009. Looking at the NASDAQ, we can see that we've been grinding slightly higher on each consecutive high here as they're just slightly above the previous high. When looking now at on-balance volume, which measures the amount of buying volume versus the amount of selling volume, you can see that we've sort of flatlined here for the last couple of months, not really making any upside move or downside move. And looking down here at the MACD line, which measures momentum, we can see that momentum is very flat and moving sideways right now. What I wanted to call your attention to is the action of the big cap leaders of this recent rally, and Apple is sure one of them. Apple came up here to a high of 208.71 in late October, and then pulled back here, tested its 50-day moving average here, and then rallied back up almost to a new high, but not quite. And now we've been pulling back here. And if we look here at this orange line, this is the on-balance volume line, we can see that we peaked here about mid-November and have been falling off ever since. So Apple is coming under distribution right now. And looking at the MACD line, we can see that's weak also and falling. Another big cap leader coming under distribution has been AMZN.com, and we can see here that the MACD ran out of steam and started to move lower here about mid-November, but Amazon.com here hit a peak of 145.91 in early December, and is now finding a little bit of support here at the 20-day moving average, but we can see here that the on-balance volume has fallen off sharply. And looking out at BIDU.com, same story, peaking here in late November. Each successive high has been a little bit stronger than the previous. But if we look down here at these gauges, on-balance volume and the MACD, we can see that they've been trending lower for quite some time now. The MACD line and the on-balance volume line hit their high in mid-September, and it's been falling off ever since. Another leader of this market run has been Netflix, and Netflix hit a high of 61.65 here in mid-November, right along with its MACD line and its on-balance volume line, and the MACD especially has fallen off quite substantially in the last month here. On-balance volume has fallen off, not too terribly though. So what this means is that even though the NASDAQ is stalling and moving sideways up near new highs, several of the real leaders of this rally have come under distribution and losing momentum. This could correct itself, but it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. As you may know, making big money in stocks is all about being aboard the handful of true market leaders during a strong bull market. At GoldenTicker.com, we concentrate on locating only the strongest stocks and give you proper buy and sell points based upon our proven trading models. We also monitor the health of the general market to let you know when conditions are favorable. I'd like to invite you to begin your free 2-week trial at GoldenTicker.com now and get full access to all our stock picks, advanced lessons, and more.